Hello and welcome. This is the first video of a short presentation series on using eGIt and Creator. We will start by opening an example project. We will use simple web application. However, everything that we will demonstrate in this video series applies as well to any existing projects that you might have. We click on Finish to open the example project, and by double clicking on it, the project is initialized. Now we are ready to share this project in a Git repository. In order to do that, we would have to right click, and we see in the pop-up menu that there is one option called Team. In the submenu that appears, we have to select Share Project. Next we get a dialog which is with the title Configure Git Repository. We would like to create a new repository for our demo. We can browse to see our file system and select an existing folder perhaps. We click OK, and now we have the path of the repository here. We will click Finish. Now as you can see, the repository has appeared in the list. This is the name of the folder, this is the path, and this is where the Git repository lies. Our project is selected, so we are ready to click Finish. The project has now been moved under the repository directory, and as you can see, some markers have appeared in the Project Explorer view. You can see that there's an extra character that shows that there have been changes here based on what is found in the repository, and there is a set of question marks on several files. These question marks mean that your files are not yet known to the repository. And we also see that there's a title here in a comment saying no health. This means that there has been no commit and that this repository has been just initialized. Now we would like to start keeping track of all these files. We will need essentially to keep track of our project. So we begin by right clicking on the project. We will go to the team, which now has all the Git related commands, and we would add the project to index. As you can see, the changed mark has disappeared, and we have several plus signs instead of the question mark. This means that our files are ready to be committed. Now we will right click on the project, go to team again, and commit. And now we are ready for our initial commit. Initial. By clicking commit, we see that now the no-head has been replaced by the master. Master is our first branch in Git. And also you can notice that the plus signs have been replaced by this yellow signal. This means that the file is under version control in the repository. We will open a file just to see. So everything is as expected. This is the end of this video. This just demonstrated how you can share a project in a Git repository. Over the next series we will show more information on using a project and sharing changes over branches. Thank you for your attention.